One of the most important things is proper watering. Either overwatering or underwatering, it's the biggest reason why trees don't make it. So make sure you're doing it right. First thing to do, go to moonvalleynurseries.com, check which climate you're in, and you can download which watering schedule you need for existing trees 2 years and older, or trees newly planted under 2 years. So make sure you're checking that. It'll give you all the guidelines you need. If you want to be sure you're watering correctly, check your ground moisture first. If it's too wet, it's sopping wet, you'll be able to tell it's getting too much water. Pretty simple, right? If it's bone dry, nothing can move on the soil, it's really hard, that means it needs more water. You're going to see some signs from your trees as well. If your tree is showing lots of yellowing from the inside out, that's typically a sign of overwatering. Weak foliage, leaves falling off quickly, breaking almost, that could also be a sign of overwatering. Now, underwatering, a lot of times your trees will just look sad. They'll be drooping, wilting, kind of keeling over. That means that we need to get some more water on there. You may also see brown, dying foliage, tons of leaf dropping all at once. Sometimes that's a sign where, hey, I've got to pick this up. A really quick way to tell if you're overwatering or not too, you can take something as simple as our Moon Valley Nursery flags, just like baking, take that and dip it into the soil. If it slides in really, really easy, that means that it's too much water. If it's not going in at all, it's hard as a rock, it doesn't have enough. So it's kind of a quick way to gauge if you're over or underwatering. We can see drastic changes in our climates this time of year, so make sure you're adjusting your water with the temperatures outside. And again, those guides off our website will tell you exactly what you need. And of course, always feel free to call our nurseries to talk to one of our nursery pros live, and they'll walk you through exactly how you need to be watering.